Good. Good evening, Anju. Welcome. Your interview with Federal Bank is scheduled on which date?
June 2nd, sir,
In which place?
at Ernakulam.
Very good. Excellent. Now, can you please tell me about yourself?
Okay, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Anju Eldos. I am from Nedumbasheri, Ernakulam district, Kerala. I have completed my BTech from Federal Institute of Science and Technology. I have also done a PG diploma course in corporation and banking management. I used to work at
You,
TCS as an assistant systems engineer for 2 years.
Mm,
Okay. And now coming to my family, my father, Mr. Eldos PJ, he is a retired personnel. He used to work at Hindalco Industries. My mother, Mrs. Sally TV, she is retired from Federal Bank as a manager.
mm,
I have an elder sister. Her name is Agila. She is currently working as an officer at CSB Bank. I'm currently living with my husband. I'm married. I'm living with my husband in Angamali. His name is Mr. Ignatius John. He's a businessman. And we have a daughter. Her name is Naira Ignatius. My interests include I love to read, and also I love traveling.
good.
So that's
That-
about myself, sir.
Everything okay, except that don't tell the names of people. Okay.
Okay, okay,
That is not required in the interview also. Just tell
oh,
them my father was so and so, my husband is so and so, like that you can tell them. And
okay, sir.
while introducing, you were telling that you studied in Federal Institute of Management. Uh,
Yes,
is there any connection between Federal Bank and this institute?
yes, this comes under Federal Bank. It's a college of Federal
Acha,
Bank only. Yeah.
oh, acha, the persons interested are from Federal Bank. Very good, very good. First time I'm hearing this. Nobody has told me this. It is situated in which place?
It's at Mukannur, sir, near Angamali, in Ernakulam district only.
Ernakulam district only. Very good,
Yeah.
very good. Yeah. Now you were with TCS for 2 years, no?
Yes, sir.
Are you still working or you have resigned?
No, I have resigned.
When did you resign?
2020, sir. November 2020.
The reason is for childbirth or any other reason?
No, after resigning, I joined on the diploma course for corporation and banking management. I decided to leave IT industry. I wanted to try another field.
Hmm.
So I decided to resign from IT.
What did you study in your diploma? In which college or which institute did you study this diploma?
It is actually coming under cooperative sector, sir. I studied at North Parvoor College. It comes under State Cooperative Union.
Oh,
It is related to cooperation only. So after completing this course, I can opt jobs in cooperative sector as well. I will be eligible to opt for jobs in cooperative sector also. So that is the reason I did this course.
it is very good. In fact, I would like to have your Anju, your first 5 numbers starts with 85475. Correct?
No, sir, 8593.
Uh,
8593.
no,
Then my
no,
last
no,
two
no,
digits,
no. Last 2 digits
9595.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. No problem. You please message me afterwards because I am interested in knowing something more about cooperative sector because there is going to be interview in Vishakhapatnam Cooperative Bank.
Okay.
So one candidate has approached me. I have Andhra Pradesh Cooperative Act with me, and I would like to know where can we get some more details regarding cooperative sector. I will, but you will be certainly getting questions on this in your interview. So,
Okay.
what do you understand by cooperative sector? What is the difference between cooperative sector and commercial banks?
Okay, so actually I have not prepared much on that, actually, sir.
Yes.
From what I know, like cooperative sectors, mainly it is actually different from commercial banks, where in cooperative sector. Oh, sorry, sir. Actually, I'm not really prepared on that.
Anju, you are only there online now. I think I gave you only first chance.
Okay.
Yeah. Yours is 85. Correct. Correct. Noted. Very nice. So you please get to know about that also to some extent. What is
Okay.
cooperative sector? Who is the cooperative minister in Kerala? And what are the problems that happened recently? Because you are going for crime program, and
Yeah.
they can also ask you about the two major frauds that have taken place in cooperative sector in Kerala. You are aware of them?
No, sir.
One is the 320 crores fraud that happened. I have posted videos in our Federal Bank. If you go through that, you will come across videos. Somewhere in 1 or 2 months back, there was one big cooperative bank scam. I'm not getting the name, some Karungapalli cooperative bank, something like that. Okay. Apart from
Okay.
that, in one BSNL cooperative bank for employees, there was a huge fraud of more than 200-300 crores recently. That was also reported in on manorama.com.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
you,
surely I'll check on that,
so
sir.
you must, and you can get the details from our own videos. You go from March to this date. From March
Okay.
to
Yeah,
this date,
sure.
you can search, you will get it. You must know about that. Now, please tell me
Okay.
the routine question you will be asked is, what do you know about Federal Bank? And they will expect more from you because your mother was manager or is manager.
She retired, sir, on last April.
Acha,
She retired.
is she that old? 60 years?
Yes, she's 60 years. I'm the
Oh,
youngest daughter. No, I have an elder sister.
acha. Okay. So that's right. Now, they will ask you, what do you know about Federal Bank? Tell me.
Okay. It's Federal Bank is one of the leading private sector banks in India, and it is headquartered at Alua, Ernakulam district. And Federal Bank has over 1,300 branches, which is spread all over the states in India. And Federal Bank was incorporated on 1931 at Nedumburam, and it was founded by Sir KP Homis, and also Federal Bank it became a scheduled commercial bank on 1970. And Federal Bank is also one of the it is the first bank to digitalize all its branches in the country. So nowadays, Federal Bank has been introducing a lot of innovations in the digital sector as well, which include Fedi Credit, Fedbook Selfie, then online demat accounting, and another one is Lotsa UPI app. So all these are the main innovations which Federal Bank has introduced in the digital sector. Yes, so that's it.
Can you please tell me about the total deposits and advances of Federal Bank as on 31st March?
Okay, as on 31st March, total advances are 20.14%. And
No. You are not getting my point. I am asking you, what is the total figure of deposits and advances? First of all, there can be three questions. One, what is the total business position? Number two,
okay,
what is the total deposits? Number three, what is the total advances? Everything has been given in the press report. I have shared in the materials as important press release as on 30th April, 31st March. Did you see that or not?
yes, sir, I saw that. Actually, I went through the percentages only. I didn't check the figures.
No. First, you must be, these are the things you must be able to tell. One, What was the total net profit of the bank
Net profit is 903 crores, sir.
for the year, for that year?
For the quarter, and for the year is 3010 crores.
Good. This, you have answered this correctly. Now, please tell me what was the GNPA percentage and NNPA percentage?
GNPA percentage is 2.36 and NNPA is 0.69%.
Good. Why NNPA is less than GNPA? Because
Actually,
I
these
know you
two,
may not, I know you may
uh,
not be able to answer this, but still I am asking. Have you prepared for this? Huh?
I believe, sir, and then GNP is the total loan assets which haven't been repaid by borrowers, and NNPA actually is the amount we get after deducting the doubtful debts from
No.
GNPA.
Wrong.
Okay.
GNPA, gross NPA is the total figure of loans that have been classified as NPA.
Okay.
Once an account is classified as NPA, or even before that, we are supposed to provide for the doubtful debts, because these debts have been identified as NPA. So we are doubtful of recovery. So banks has to provide every year step by step for this. So after supposing 100 crore is the NPA now, and that is under substandard, we are supposed to provide 50, if it is secured, we are supposed to provide 15%, that is 15 crores. That means now this 15 crores will be reduced from the GNPA, and the balance is known as net NPA.
Okay.
Obviously, net NPA will be less than gross NPA because net NPA is equal to GNPA minus provisions made for NPA.
Oh, okay, sir.
I hope you understood, because you are banker's daughter.
Yes, I understood that, because what you are telling us, like bank will be paying that provision, right?
Bank will be
Bank
providing that,
will be
means they
providing
will
that.
they
Okay.
will debit this much amount to their expenditure account during the current year.
Oh, okay, sir.
It means this amount will be reduced out of the profits the bank has earned this year.
Oh, okay, sir.
Please talk about this to your mummy
Sure, sir.
in detail. That will be better. Good. Now, can you tell me, how do you think you are suitable for this FCCS post? You are having a girl, you are having a husband working in Angamali. Now we are going to post you in Bengaluru for 2 years. How will you manage?
Yes, sir. Actually, my husband and my family, they are really supportive. So I am sure that that won't be, having a husband or daughter won't be a problem from going to Bangalore or doing this course.
No, but
And
this,
also I'm really, yes, sir.
this is a vague answer. You must be able to specify that my mother-in-law or my mother will take care of the child, and
Yes, sir. That's what
some,
I meant. Like my parents and my in-laws will be taking care of her. So
which class is she studying?
she will be of 1 year next month.
Oh, only chota. Oh,
Yes, sir.
great. That means all the more it will be okay.
Not,
It is
not.
it is painful for you, but of course it depends.
Yes, sir, but I also have to take care of my career also, right? So
That's
I
right.
have to, yeah. So
That
that will be a tough. It is going to be a tough decision, but I will be taking it because I have to,
so
do good in my
you
career also.
you only wish and pray it should be postponed 1 month, 2 months, like that. That will be better. Let it be getting postponed, right? What are the other exams you have been writing?
I have been I haven't written any exams at present because I was having a child and taking care of her. So for some time I was not giving any exams.
Hmm. And what prompted you to write for this exam? Because, there were other exams also coming. South Indian Bank also came for probationary officer. And so many other IBPS, so many advertisements came. So you did not apply for them. Then, of course, maybe you were having a small child. Possibly that was the reason. Correct?
Yes, sir. I was having that, and also this actually came. My mother was also used to work at Federal Bank, so this course, and it is actually a 2-year internship program, right? So from this, I can also learn many things. So yes, that is the main reason I applied for this.
Mhm. But I think this, according to me, this is the first time this program is being introduced. Earlier, they have introduced one integrated program, which is more sales oriented job. This is the one which is not sales oriented. Please talk to your mummy about this in detail. Of course, here the job will be assured provided you learn things properly and you also work satisfactorily and satisfy the superiors with your performance. So that won't be a problem. And you may be posted anywhere in India. Mostly they will post you in Kerala. It's not a difficult thing. Please explain about FCCS program.
Okay, sir. So, Federal Integrated Program, actually, it is a 2-year integrated program where the candidates will be given an opportunity to learn, engage, and earn. So this program actually consists of 2 parts, that is learning and earning. Here, coming to the learning part, this Federal Bank actually has tied up with Manipal Global Education Services to provide a PG diploma certification. Like after completing this course, we'll be getting a PG diploma in risk and compliance. So it is a 24-month program where we'll be learning about like different KYC and AML regulations, risk and compliance, about different financial crimes and all. And it is actually conducted in 2 phases. In the phase 1, we'll be learning about different basics of this financial crimes and risk and compliance. And in phase 2, we'll be learning more advanced risk and compliance. Then coming to the earning part, Federal Bank will be giving it is a fixed term fixed paid employment with Federal Bank, where we'll be giving a stipend of 27,500 per month, and also a bonus incentive of a quarterly incentive will be given based on our performance. If we are getting top 1 and top 2 performance, then a bonus will be given. And after successful completion of this course, if we are having a top grade performance and also if we are showcasing good conduct, then we will be absorbed into Federal Bank as well. And also there's a compulsory certification, CFCS, that has to be taken. And also after the successful completion of the certification also, then we'll be absorbed. After that only we'll be absorbed to Federal Bank.
Yeah.
So that.
Yeah. So is there any connection between CBI and this program?
I'm not sure, sir.
No, there is no connection. That is different and this is different. Do you know the name of CBI director who has been recently appointed?
I'm not sure, sir.
His name is Praveen Sood.
Okay.
Senior IPS officer. Please note, Praveen Sood. He is also from Bengaluru. From Karnataka. He has been posted as a new CBI director.
Okay.
Did you watch the news today about Parliament inauguration?
Yes, sir.
What was happening there? Describe that to me. I could not see it.
This today at around noon, the inauguration was taking place, I believe. And also morning there was some pujas and all. And after that, at noon, for inauguration was made. And then actually Modi, our Prime Minister PM Modi, actually he gave a speech. And like I really didn't watch complete news, sir.
Mhm.
From
One
some
minute.
portions.
Inauguration of new parliament building. I'm just putting in Google. What is it I'm getting? Live inauguration of parliament building. Just a minute. Just a
Sure, sir.
minute. Yeah. Yeah, just a minute. Where are we now? I have to share this. No, I was very keen in knowing because one, the opposition has boycotted it. Okay. Are you seeing on the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Opposition has boycotted this. And did they come or not? That's what. Achha, this is our vice
I
president.
think Congress didn't attend the inaugurations.
Achha, this is not vice. This is vice president. Na? This one, this gentleman who was there behind. This is, I don't know, all these are famous people only.
दर्ज रहेगा। इस अवसर पर यह संदेश प्रेषित करते हुए
ये 140 करोड़ भारतवासियों की आकांक्षाओं और सपनों का प्रतिबिंब है और बड़े बांधों तक भारत का कौशल विश्व भर से आंदोलन ने पूरे देश को एक विश्वास से भर दिया था। सभी सांसदों का दायित्व है कि इसे अपने समर्पण से और ज्यादा दिव्य बनाएंगे।
Yeah, I think it is coming to an end with that. Very good. So thank you for that one. And I'll come out of it. Yeah, I have to come out of this. Anyhow, see, like this, you are attending interview today, and this has happened today. And if you are not conversant with that, it is a negative point.
Okay, sir.
So whatever is happening on that day, the day before that, or what is going to happen day after that, you must be updating your knowledge. Something,
sir.
but of course, in your FCCS interview, they are not questioning them like this. They only ask routine questions. What is FCCS program? What do you know about Federal Bank? This is only they are asking, and you are answering all those questions very nicely. No problem about that. But from the other angle also, you must be prepared. Please tell me why you are more suitable for this post.
Okay, sir. So I believe I have good
No,
analytical.
sorry. I wanted to tell you. Don't use the word I believe.
Okay, sir.
When you say I believe, your answer will get, even though you give the correct answer, you will be getting only 50% of the eligible marks.
Okay, sir.
Never you should use the word believe. You should talk. Whatever you know, you talk. If you don't know, you don't talk about it. Just feel free to say, I don't know. That will be sufficient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because one
Okay.
cannot be expected to know everything. So whatever is available, whatever is known to you, do you have the ability to explain about it nicely? Obviously, you have that ability because you have been working in TCS. TCS, what was the work you were doing there?
It was actually Java development, sir, and little bit of coding and bug fixing, and then some testing, sir. Basically, Java development.
Now I think you are the suitable person for me to ask a question. Say, what are the cyber crimes that are happening and what steps the bank has to take to prevent them?
Okay, sir. So cyber crimes, actually, there are various types of cyber crimes are now increasing in banks, like data breaches, phishing, then what, like hacking. Hacking is another important crime. So like this, crimes are nowadays increasing. So bank has to increase the security, like they has to increase security by appointing various personnel who are good at the cyber security, and the various measures has to be taken to secure our system. Our backend areas must be strengthened. So likewise, more security should be imposed in the backend area. So like hacking and all can be prevented.
So what do you know about TCS banks, BA and CS?
I don't know, sir.
TCS has got a software, core banking solution software known as TCS Banks. And what is the name of the core banking software for Infosys? That is known as Finacle.
Okay, yeah.
What is your basic degree?
BTech, sir. Electrical and electronics engineering.
Yeah. So since you have done electrical and electronics engineering, of course, it is not directly computer. It is good for you to know more about latest things happening in computer.
Okay, sir.
That is why, like this, questions like core banking solution, then check truncation system, then NPCI. What is NPCI?
National Payments Corporation of India.
Yeah. What are the platforms created by them?
Like payments, I believe.
I think you are not familiar. You have
Not
to
familiar.
be familiar with UPI, National Financial
UPI,
Switch,
okay.
National Automation Clearing House, then Immediate Payment Service. So many things. Please go through NPCI also, because
Okay.
crime and NPCI, I mean, NPCI is not directly involved in crime. NPCI's platforms are being misused by people for getting money. So what is that about? You must know as a computer related person.
Sure, sir.
So
I'll check on it.
please get to know that also. That will be better. Good. Otherwise,
Okay.
I'm not asking the routine question like money laundering, KYC. That is all. You can answer them very well. That's not a problem. Please prepare on these lines about something related to computer. And there is a booklet I have given you, Bankers Adda interview booklet. Did you go through that 10 pages book?
No, sir. Actually, is it available in the Telegram group?
No. I have given you in the folder, training interview folder. In that folder, I have added that one.
Oh, okay. I didn't go through.
And I have also added 2 files regarding risk management and all. Please go through them also. Otherwise, you are answering very well. No problem. I will give you 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, thank you, sir.
But
sir, how about my communication and all?
that's all very nice. No problem. No problem. First class. Because one, you are having engineering background. 2, you have worked in TCS. TCS will not recruit somebody who is not good. That's one. Number 2, you must have had opportunity to talk in English. That way you are communicating very well. They will approve. From that angle, there won't be any problem. But from the angle of introduction of Federal Bank, you can know still more details by going through their website. And more especially,
so do I have to include more on history of Federal Bank or the figures?
No.
Okay.
I forgot to tell you, they are not at all interested in history. It is sufficient you tell Federal Bank was started by KP Armis in the year so and so, and it is one of the leading private sector banks. Present managing director is Mr. So and so. Present chairman is so and so. Bank has got so many branches, so many ATMs. bank has got so many customers. Bank has
Yes.
got different, say, products under deposit, advances, then digital, etc. Its performance recently has been very good. It has got so many awards, and it is also participating in corporate social responsibility like that.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
You have taken your second interview date? No. Or
Yes,
you
actually it is given on Tuesday. Like, can I make it on Wednesday? My interview is on Friday. So
what is the date I have given you?
it is on Tuesday, sir. I believe on 30th, I believe.
30th, yeah,
Can I make
30th,
it on 31st?
30th I have given 7:20. I will make it 7:40 on 31st.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Please confirm by sending a message to me.
Sure, sir.
Good. You have answered that very well. Thank you.
Okay.